Hello, Taurus. As you know, it will not resonate with all Taurus individuals, this reading. I always look for a positive reading. If not, we will work through it. I try not to leave anyone hanging. I really do. So we'll get that done. Just a second. The energy's coming in for Taurus. Whoops, trying to fall down on me. You don't like the options given to you. You're not accepting any confusing offers. It's like you're closing yourself off from negative type options, with the Seven of Cups. That's what's coming in. Now, the subject at hand, some of you may have taken a break, went on vacation, or recovering from ill health. Maybe you had a cold, maybe you had surgery, maybe you had something. Maybe you were just feeling down and out. But some of you had taken a break. Four of Swords. What is crossing it? From sneaky behavior. Someone maybe had done you wrong. Maybe someone flew under the radar about something and you needed some time out with the Seven of Swords. For some of you, you could have done this with somebody else. You could have been the one that was flying under the radar. Maybe you're hiding out. But it can go vice versa here. What's crowning you or your goal is the Queen of Rods. The Queen of Rods can be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. As you know, I do not assign one zodiac sign to a court card while reading for the masses, the general public. The Queen of Rods, you could even take on this energy, even though it's a fire sign energy. Is someone taking their passions back, trying to get their passions back, wanting in the future to take their passion back. But right now you're kind of, keeping to yourself, taking a break. And I'll find out more about it. I will clarify these, and it will change the story up or make it real interesting, so stick with me. Foundation, you don't like what's being offered to you with the Four Cups. You're just thinking it's blah. It's not worth it for you. You don't know if you want to accept it. Someone's going to accept you something to you. But you yourself may say, I got to step back for a little bit. I'm going for more passionate energies. And it could have to do, like I said, that Seven of Swords. Either someone done you wrong or you did them wrong. In the past, you were dealing with the King of Cups. The King of Cups can be a water sign. It could be Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, or someone who had a lot of love and energy and a lot of supportive energy. You were dealing with them in the past, and I will clarify what they were to you. Everybody's on a different timetable. So it could happen a little after, it could happen right now, or it could have already happened, Near future is blessings coming in, growth. For very few of you, a possible pregnancy, but not necessarily, because I'm reading for the masses. Not everyone's going to get pregnant, okay? But it is also about blessings and growth and things, or fruition, where things start bearing fruit. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is saying release a burden, a heavy burden, with the Ten of Wands. And we will clarify that. It'll tell us more advice. That's not the only thing it's going to tell you. What is coming towards you, the outside environment beyond your control. Someone no longer wants to fight and battle with you, possibly. Maybe you don't want to fight and battle with them, but that is something usually beyond your control. When it's in this position coming towards you, they don't want to fight anymore with the Five of Swords in reverse. Your hopes and fears, you're hoping for a new beginning, a straightforward beginning. An honest beginning with the Ace of Swords in the upright. You're wanting also, for some of you, to speak your truth for the first time. Or begin to start speaking your truth. Final outcome, someone from the past. Situation from the past or memories from the past with the Six of Cups. Could go as far back as childhood, but not necessarily, Now let's go back to the beginning. You're taking a break from a sneaky situation. Like I said, whether you did or somebody did to you, it don't matter. It's what you're feeling at the time. So the Four of Swords in the upright, Seven of Swords crossing it while you're there. For Taurus, as the subject at hand. The Hangman in reverse. Yeah, the Hangman in reverse is about, you're wanting to take this break from this Seven of Swords situation, but you're having difficulty doing so with the Hangman in reverse. From you actually going into within yourself. You're having trouble with that. So Four Swords in the upright, Seven of Swords crossing it, the Hangman in reverse while you're there as a subject at hand for Taurus. Yeah, there's that Seven of Cups in reverse, not liking any options that were offered to you. You don't want to accept any confusion, offers, or options. You want things that are solid. You don't want no BS. So, let's go to what crowns you is the Queen of Rods. Some of you, like I said, could be dealing with a fire sign. Others maybe wanting to take their passions back or wanting something more passionate. Yeah, and you want your luck to change. That's trying to come out, and I'm going to let it. You want your luck to change with the Wheel of Fortune in the upright. You're wanting things to move forward again with the Wheel of Fortune. Things that are positive, something more passionate. Can I get another card for the Queen of Rods and the Wheel of Fortune, both in the upright for Taurus? That's what crowns you. And your overall wealth and stability. And remember, this is also manifestations, just like it is over here in the hopes and fears, is that you can manifest what you're wanting. If the energy is there, which it is, you can go for it. Don't let anything stand in your way that may that may take away your passions of what you're going for. This overall stability and better luck and better fortunes. Now, the foundation, you don't like what was offered to you with the Four of Cups. Or someone may not like what you offered, but we'll find out. Four of Cups in the upright while you're there is the foundation for Taurus. Eight of Wands. And you may have stopped talking to this person, or vice versa with the Eight of Wands in reverse. You don't like what they had to offer, and you did not reply to the offer, possibly. So the Four of Cups, or you're waiting to reply. Four of Cups in the upright. Eight of Wands in reverse while you're there for Taurus as the foundation. Why are you there? Chariot. And you're wanting to move forward in life. You don't want to accept, like I said, offers that you don't like, that you find dull, boring, not what you're wanting, and you're wanting to move forward quickly with more of a passionate energy. Now, in the past, you were dealing with the King of Cups. And the King of Cups can be a water sign, Or someone, like I said, that is emotionally sound, that's wanting to offer you their emotions. Now, could be also you take on this energy, even though it's a water type energy, of more sound emotions. So King of Cups in the upright while you're there for Taurus in the past. A lot of cards when I'm coming out. It's like 10 of them. If they're meant to come out, they'll come out again. While you're there, King of Cups in the upright in the past while you're there. Page of Cups. Maybe this person sent you a message, a kind message, a loving message, or a message that I hope you will receive with the Page of Cups. Again, this could be a water type sign energy, or someone, like I said, young at heart that's this way, or someone, like I said, a messenger. So King of Cups, Page of Cups, both in the upright in the past for Taurus while you're there. Someone's trying to send you a message of stability. I'm pretty sure they're messages that have to do with a possible water energy or someone who has a kind heart. I think they're a kind heart, almost poetic in a way, and sometimes they're dreamy looking. But it's more or less someone's wanting to offer you a loving, stable offer or a message that involves this. Now, in the near future, you're the Empress, or you don't have to be. The Empress is in the upright. Blessings, growth, things that are coming in, starting to take, starting to bloom. So the Empress in the upright in the very near future for Taurus. Why are you there? Eight of Cups. So you're not going to have to work too hard for it. With the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, you don't have to work too hard for it. It's going to come towards you. So the Empress in the upright, Eight of Pentacles in reverse while you're there in the very near future for Taurus. King of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, it's like something that's going to take off that wasn't solid before, and you're not going to have to work too hard for it. For some of you, they may have growth again that has involved with the King of Pentacles, someone that you weren't real stable with before. Sometimes with the King of Pentacles, it can be Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but not necessarily. But there will be some growth with them again, There'll be some type of growth. Or it could be you, like I said, regaining a blessing, even though things did not go in your favor. And someone may knock on my door again, and I may have to cut this off for a second, but it happens a lot. I can't help it. In the very possible future outcome advice from the universe says release a burden, release heavy loads. Don't carry things that are too heavy for you. It could be so many different meanings. So, oops, something wants to come out. And avoid tower situations. Don't let tower situation, cause a burden for you. Don't let it happen. Don't let things crumble down around you when it's not necessary. I know people are going to say, what do you mean by that? I don't know yet. I need another card. So the Ten of Wands, the Tower in reverse while you're there is a possible future outcome or advice from the universe. So let down a burden so towers won't happen. Yeah, it said let go of burdens. Don't worry about past towers. Don't let towers from other people cause a burden also. And with the Nine of Swords in reverse, let go of anxiety. Sleep better at night. Let go of the burdens. You have to go into meditations. Go into something that will release the burdens of things that you do not like. What was that Four of Swords? Maybe that's what it's meaning. You take that break of meditation. Maybe some of you need to go on a little bit of mini vacation, maybe even over the weekend. But it's just like clear your mind and get rid of the anxieties over past tower moments, because blessings are coming in. And in the outside environment, no one wants to fight with you anymore. They're wanting to put their swords down, but they may have not said that to you yet. But Five of Swords in reverse while you're there, coming towards Taurus. While you're there, coming towards Taurus as the outside environment, things beyond their control. Five of Swords in reverse while you're there. Again, someone wants to stop fighting with you. It's the Five of Swords in reverse. They want to put their swords down. For some of you, you may continue to argue with this person, but someone really does not want to battle with you 100%. So maybe, or it could be that the universe kind of steps in and puts down those swords too. That does happen. So Five of Swords twice in reverse while you're there. For Taurus is the outside environment. Yeah, someone, because they're not getting a victory with it. They're not going to win over as the outside environment. There's no victory in here to fight with you. And the universe, like I said, is telling you to just put away the burdens. Don't even deal with arguments and fights. Because if you continue on with them and they continue on with you and they don't put the swords down for whatever reason, it can get pretty harsh. Okay? So it's basically don't worry about things that will cause you a lot of anxiety. Let it go. Now, your hopes and fears is the Ace of Swords. Maybe you're trying to put out your truth. Maybe you're trying to move forward vigorously again, in an intelligent way. So Ace of Swords in the upright while you're there. For Taurus, in the hopes and fears and manifestations while you're there. Ace of Cups. Yeah, you're wanting these new beginnings that you love. So Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, and you can manifest this or the energy wouldn't be there. While you're there for Taurus. In the hopes and fears and manifestations. Even though you're in a way thinking something is hopeless. You're wanting these new beginnings, but you got doubts, and that's where you got to put those to rest and go into meditations and heal yourself. In the end, we have the Six of Cups in the upright. It's usually things from the past, such as people and memories, nostalgia, Sometimes it goes back as far as childhood, but not always, So Six of Cups in the upright while you're there for Taurus as the final outcome. While you're there for Taurus as the final outcome. Yeah, and your ships will come in with the Three of Wands. You will see them coming in, positive things that from the past weren't always positive. For a few of you, someone may come back from the past. For others, better things are coming in. And good memories, and something is coming in with the Three of Wands in the upright, okay? So Six of Cups, Three of Wands, both in the upright while you're there for Taurus as the final outcome. And take control. For some of you, you could be dealing with the Aries, but I don't assign to a court card. Not a court card, but this is a major arcana. But it's very difficult when you're reading for the masses. If you try to single them out, you'll just reach a few people. It'll only resonate with a few people. And so it's better I'm doing a mass reading, so we have to include everybody. So the Six of Cups in the end, you got your ships coming in and more control, or someone that is in more control will be attached to this. You are overcoming heartbreak. You have healed. When it's in reverse, it's someone healing, because they can't, when it's in the upright, it's like they're almost bleeding fresh, you know. It's nonstop. When it's in reverse, there's no more heartbreak. You can't take any more out of this heart than it already has happened. So now they are healing with the Three of Swords. So you are healing from this situation. You are recovering. The universe tells you to come out of burdens. Don't worry about past tower situations. Don't let it ruin your life, in other words. Don't let burdens and anxiety ruin your life with a tower in reverse. That's what it's telling you. Put them down. Don't let them bother you. Meditate. Someone from the outside, I don't think, wants to fight it anymore. Maybe you won some type of battle, or, you know, but they feel like they didn't get a victory in this situation. They're not feeling 100% either. You yourself are saying, I want to get my passions and luck back, my overall security. I may take a break from you. I may not like what you're offering to me. I want to move forward. You may not even answer their message if they do, or you think it's chaotic messages. Or someone may want to travel with you also. I didn't even think of that. And you may turn it down. You will be getting an offer from the King of Cups, or a message of some sort that has to do with emotions and stability in relationships. You are getting growth again. You don't have to work too hard for it. Maybe the reason why you can't, you are the King of Pentacles. You know, you are Taurus. But you can be dealing also with situations that weren't stable, or now are going to start becoming fruitful again. Do what the universe says. Go for your manifestations, both here. And don't give up hope, no matter what. Don't give up hope. Even with things from the past, or energies from the past, and good things, because your ships are coming in. And even if it doesn't have to do with someone in the past, maybe it's just positive emotional memories from the past, ships coming in and more control in your life. And overcoming this, you know, dreaded heartbreak, which, oops, there's the Ace of Swords again. Try to pop out. Even with this dreaded energy that's come, that you have suffered or were feeling or exhausted from, even though it kind of made you to where you didn't want to deal with anything, realize that blessings are coming in. Growth is coming in. Don't give up hope. Go for your Wheel of Fortune, your overall stability. Take on the Queen of Rods energy. Get that passion. Don't let things get in your way, and go for what you're wanting. And that is your reading, and I'm going to let this go, and I will talk to you later, Taurus. Bye.